Hello friends, we now solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.3. Okay, the question number 3 is that find the roots of the following equations. Okay, oblique 1, x minus 1 by x equal 3 where x not equal 0. Oblique 2, 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal 11 by 13 where x not equal minus 4 comma 7. Okay, this is question number 1, x minus 1 by x equal 3. Okay, now multiplying both sides by x we get x square minus 1 equal 3x. Okay, or x square minus 3x minus 1 equal 0. Okay, now comparing this with x square plus bx plus c equal 0, we get a equal 1, b equal minus 1 and c equal minus 1. Okay, sorry, b equal minus 3 and c equal minus 1. Okay, now by quadratic formula we get x equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, or x equal minus b minus minus plus 3 plus minus root over b square means minus c whole square, so this will be 9 minus 4 into a means 1 into c means minus 1. Okay, by 2 into a means 1, or x equal 3 plus minus 9 plus 4 into minus 4 minus minus plus 4 by 2, or x equal 3 plus minus root over 13 by 2. Okay, so x will be 3 plus root over 13 by 2 or 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Okay, this is question number 2. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal 11 by 30 where x not equal minus 4 comma 7. Okay, now we take LCM of x plus 4 and x minus 7. So x plus 4 into x minus 7. Okay, so x minus 7 minus x minus 4 equal 11 by 30, और x काट जाएगी minus 11 by x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 equal 11 by 30. 11 काट जाएगी. Now this into this and this into this, that means cross multiplication. So x square minus 3x minus 28 equal minus 1 into 30, so minus 30, और x square minus 3x minus 28 minus 30 इधर आके plus 30 equal 0, और x square minus 3x plus 2 equal 0. Okay, now we solve this by factorization method. Okay, that's why here is sign of x square positive and sign of constant positive, so we take two negative term to get minus 3x. Okay, now coefficient of x square 1 and constant term is 2. Okay, so we rewrite this as x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal 0, or x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2 equal 0, or x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal 0, or x minus 2 equal 0, or x minus 1 equal 0, or x equal 2, or x equal 1. So x is 2 or 1. Okay, x square minus 6 plus 1 2 equal 0. We solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula also. Okay, but in this case factorization process is very easy, that's why we solve this by factorization process. Okay, Question number 4. Okay, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. Okay, let Rahman's present age equal x year. So 3 years ago Rahman's age was x minus 3 years. Okay, and 5 years later Rahman's age will be x plus 5 years. Okay, now given that sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3, that means 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal 1/3. Okay, so according to question, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal 1/3. Okay, or we take LCM x minus 3 and x plus 5. So x minus 3 x plus 5 x minus 3 x plus 5 plus minus 3 equal 1/3, or 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 6 minus 15 equal 1/3. Okay, now we multiply this into this and this into this. Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 15 equal 2x into 3, so 6x, and 2 into 3, so 6, or x square plus 2x minus 15 plus 6x इधर आके माइनस 6 प्लस 6 इधर आके माइनस 6 इक्वल 0. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 6 सो माइनस 4x minus 15 minus 6, so minus 20 equals 0. Okay, now sign of x square positive and sign of constant term negative, so positive into negative, that will be negative, so we have to take one positive term, one negative term to obtain minus 4x. Okay, now coefficient of x square 1 and constant term 21. Okay, now if we multiply this by 3, then we have to divide this by 3, so 21 by 3 will be 7. Okay, so we rewrite this as x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equals 0, or x minus 7 plus 3 x minus 7 equals 0, or x minus 7 into x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0, or x equals 7, or x equal minus 3. Okay, since age can't be negative, so x will be 7. Okay, so Rahman's present age will be. Thank you.